12. Japanese money habits that build wealth without a higher income. What if building wealth had less to do with earning more money and more to do with how you manage the money you already have? Around the world, many people believe that the key to financial success is getting a bigger salary, starting a side hustle, or finding the next hot investment. While increasing income can certainly help, there is another path to wealth that is often overlooked. In Japan, many people have mastered the art of building financial security through discipline, consistency, and intentional living. These habits are not flashy. They do not promise overnight riches. Instead, they focus on making smart decisions day after day, year after year. The result is a financial lifestyle that creates stability, reduces stress, and gradually builds wealth over time. One of the most fascinating things about Japanese money culture is that it is deeply connected to simplicity and long-term thinking. Rather than constantly chasing more, many Japanese households focus on maximizing the value of what they already have. This mindset allows them to avoid many of the financial traps that keep people stuck in a cycle of stress and debt. In today's video, we are going to explore 12 powerful Japanese money habits that can help you build wealth without needing a higher income. Whether you are just starting your financial journey or looking for ways to improve your money management skills, these lessons can provide valuable insights that you can begin applying immediately. The first habit is known as Kakeibo, a traditional Japanese budgeting method that has helped people manage their finances for more than a century. Kakeibo is not just a budgeting system. It is a philosophy of mindful spending. Instead of simply tracking expenses, Kakeibo encourages people to ask important questions before making purchases. Do I really need this item? Can I afford it? Will it improve my life? By taking a moment to reflect before spending money, people become more intentional about their financial choices. Many individuals struggle with budgeting because they view it as restrictive. They feel like budgeting takes away their freedom. Kakeibo approaches the process differently. Rather than focusing on limitations, it focuses on awareness. When you know exactly where your money is going, you gain more control over your finances. This awareness often leads to reduced spending on unnecessary items and increased savings over time. Even small improvements in spending habits can have a significant impact when repeated consistently for years. The second Japanese money habit is prioritizing savings before spending. In many countries, people save whatever money is left at the end of the month. Unfortunately, there is often very little remaining. Japanese savers frequently reverse this process by setting aside savings first and then living on the rest. This simple shift creates a powerful psychological advantage because saving becomes a priority rather than an afterthought. Imagine receiving your paycheck and immediately transferring a percentage into savings or investments. By doing this before paying for entertainment, shopping, or non-essential purchases, you ensure that wealth building happens automatically. Over time, these regular contributions can grow substantially, especially when combined with the power of compounding. The amount does not need to be large. Consistency matters far more than perfection. The third habit is avoiding lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest obstacles to wealth building is the tendency to increase spending whenever income rises. Many people receive a raise only to upgrade their car, move into a more expensive home, or increase discretionary spending. As a result, their financial situation changes very little despite earning more money. Japanese culture often places a greater emphasis on practicality and moderation. Many people continue living comfortably within their means even when their income grows. Instead of immediately upgrading every aspect of their lifestyle, they direct extra income towards savings, investments, or future goals. This approach allows wealth to accumulate steadily rather than disappearing through increased consumption. The fourth habit is embracing minimalism. Japan has become famous for its minimalist philosophy, which encourages people to focus on what truly adds value to their lives. Minimalism is not about deprivation. It is about intentionally choosing quality over quantity. By purchasing fewer unnecessary items, people naturally spend less money while also reducing clutter and stress. Think about how many purchases are driven by impulse rather than necessity. Advertising constantly encourages us to buy more, upgrade more, and consume more. However, every unnecessary purchase represents money that could have been invested or saved. Japanese minimalism helps people resist this pressure and focus on long-term priorities instead of short-term gratification. The fifth habit is thinking long-term. Many financial mistakes occur because people focus exclusively on immediate rewards. They want quick results, fast profits, and instant gratification. Japanese financial culture often encourages patience and gradual progress. This long-term mindset can be seen in everything from career development to investing and personal savings. When you think long-term, your financial decisions begin to change. Instead of asking what will make you happy today, you start asking what will improve your life 5, 10, or 20 years from now. This perspective helps people make wiser choices regarding debt, investing, spending, and saving. Wealth is rarely built overnight. More often, it is the result of thousands of small decisions made consistently over many years. The sixth habit is valuing financial security over status. In many societies, people feel pressure to display success through expensive purchases. Luxury cars, designer clothing, and high-end gadgets often become symbols of achievement. While there is nothing wrong with enjoying nice things, chasing status can quickly become a financial burden. Many Japanese households place greater emphasis on stability and preparedness than outward displays of wealth. They understand that true financial confidence comes from having savings, emergency funds, and financial flexibility. This mindset reduces the need to impress others and allows more resources to be directed toward building lasting wealth. As we continue through these habits, you will notice a common theme. None of them require a higher income. They are based on behavior, discipline, and mindset. That is encouraging because behavior can be changed regardless of your current financial situation. The habits that build wealth are often available to everyone, even if the results take time to appear.